morning, children. So today's our topic is the moon. Okay, so you all have saw the moon, how it look at night. Okay, so our earth has only one satellite, that is the moon. Okay, so our earth having one satellite, children, that is only the moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of the earth. Okay, it appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. Yes, moon is also called a celestial body. Okay, so already we discussed what is celestial bodies in our last class. That is, while watching the night sky, you may notice various patterns from the different group of stars. These are called a constellation, which they get light from the other, which shine at the night time. Okay, and children, moon is about 3,84,400 kilometer away from us. Okay, so now you can compare the distance of the earth from the sun and that from the moon. So moon is very near to the earth. Okay, the moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. Children, understand that moon, when it moves around the earth, so it is our satellite, so it move around the earth. So at what time, what it will take time, it will take complete one rotation of 27 days. Okay, it means it takes exactly the same time to compare one spin. Okay, so it takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. So you know what is the meaning of spin. So as a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the earth. So the moon does not have conditions favorable for life. Yes, children, in if you go to settle the moon, it is not giving a life planet, because there is no air, water which suit for the life. So it has mountains, plains and depression on its surface. Okay, so these cast shadows on the moon surface. Look at the full moon and observe these shadows. Now children will talk about the asteroids. What is asteroids? So apart from the stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. So these bodies are called asteroids. Okay, so they are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. From your textbook you can see figure 1.2 also. And the scientists are of the view that asteroids are part of the planet which exploded many years back. Okay, sometime it will fall on the earth also, but it fall on the sea or ocean. Okay, so our next topic is meteoroids. So what is meteoroids? These are the small pieces of rocks, okay, which move around the sun. Are called meteoroids. So sometimes these meteoroids come near to earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. See, you can see in this picture, they come, they fall, but it will be suddenly burn until it reach to the earth. So it causes a flash of light. Okay, sometimes the meteor, without being completely burnt, fall on the earth and create a hollow. Okay, sometimes it will be not completely burned, but it will create like a hollow. So it's a whitish broad band, like a white glowing path across the sky on the a clear starry night. Okay, so it is a cluster of million of stars. So this band is the Milky Way galaxy. So our solar system is a part of this galaxy. So in ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Okay, so it was named Akasha Ganga, means n number of the stars in a one place. So a galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. Okay, and it is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. And also scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. Okay, they are working on it, how it look, or still more they have get some more information about this universe. So we are not certain about its size, but we know that all of us, that you and I belong to this universe. Okay children, so this chapter is over. So in our next class we'll do this exercise of this chapter. So I'll make the question answers, and that it will be make you easy. Okay. Okay children, so our chapter is over. So next class we'll discuss about the question and answers. Okay, have a nice day children. Thank you.